Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Shifting focus towards the fireworks around Prime Minister Modi's remark that he made in Bihar. This is the Mujra remark that he made at a rally in Bihar on Saturday that drew a sharp response from the opposition. Now, the remark was made when the Prime Minister was accusing the opposition of vote bank politics. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, in fact, now has said that the Prime Minister must maintain the decorum of his post. Meanwhile, RJD leader and former Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Tejasvi Yadav responded on Sunday by writing a letter to the Prime Minister accusing him of making baseless and false statements to the public. Now, in his letter, Yadav criticized Prime Minister Modi for his choice of language as well. It is pertinent to note here that this political war of words come ahead of the last phase of the polls as well.
बिहार को गारंटी देता हूं, एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी परिवारों को गारंटी देता हूं, अति पिछड़े परिवारों को गारंटी देता हूं, जब तक मोदी जिंदा है मैं एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी और अति पिछड़ों के हकों को छीनने नहीं दूंगा। ये मोदी की गारंटी है। मोदी के लिए संविधान सर्वोपरि है। मोदी के लिए बाबा साहब आंबेडकर की भावना सर्वोपरि है। इंडिया अलायंस को अपने वोट बैंक की गुलामी करनी है तो करे, उनको वहां जाके मुजरा करना है तो भी करें। मैं एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी आरक्षण के साथ डट करके खड़ा हूं, खड़ा रहूंगा, जब तक जान है लड़ता रहूंगा।
देखो, ये बिहार के लोगों के लिए वो अपमानित है। अगर वो चाहते हैं यहाँ के लोग उनको अंदर भी नहीं आना देना, तो ये जो एक प्रधानमंत्री राज्य के बारे में एक काम ऐसा बोलते हैं तो इट इज वेरी बैड एंड इट इज इंसल्ट टू द स्टेट। देयरफॉर he should not use such languages. हम तो ये चाहते हैं, और एक अच्छे जगह पे है वो, अगर इस तरीके से बिहेव करे तो कोई इसको पसंद नहीं करता।
मैं कल भी कहा था कि अब प्रधानमंत्री जी की इस फिसलती जुबान से उनके लिए चिंता होती है कि उनकी हालत क्या है। एक दिन दैवीय रास्ते से आते हुए खुद को बताते हैं। मैंने बार बार कहा कि अगर हम में से कोई ये बोल दे तो हमें लोग कान पकड़ के डॉक्टर के पास ले जाएंगे कि दिखवाओ इसको, क्या हो गया साहब आपकी जुबान को, धमकी दे रहे हैं आप यहां करके। एक तो मुजरा, मंगलसूत्र, इस तरह की शब्दावली। दुनिया में कोई प्राइम मिनिस्टर इतनी निम्न स्तर की भाषा का इस्तेमाल नहीं करता। विरोध प्रतिपक्ष से डील करने का ये तरीका है। किम जोंग हो गए हो क्या भाई आप? पुतिन के मॉडल पर चलाना चाहते हैं इस देश को।
We have our senior editor Pallavi Ghosh back with us on the broadcast. Pallavi, why is it okay for the opposition parties to make comments like the age of Prime Minister, the family, maybe making the comment on his late mother as well, but they cannot hear a word mujra in the statement that has been given by the Prime Minister during a rally in Bihar?
Absolutely, Sakshi, that's exactly what the BJP is asking, that it's okay when you use derogatory words, taunt his mother, you taunt his upbringing and also his humble background. But when you use a similar kind of a language, which according to the BJP is not derogatory, because why should you look on Mujra as being a derogatory in nature? Why are you having a negative connotation or perception about it? Because it's also believed to be a kind of a dance form, Sakshi. So I don't think the politics is going to end soon on this. I mean, after all, at the end, we are at the fag end of the Lok Sabha elections with just one phase left to go. And this is going to be a critical phase for both the parties. The opposition as well as the BJP. I mean, parts of UP, Bihar goes to vote, Punjab goes to vote, and of course Bengal critical areas goes to vote. So that kind of aggression on both the sides. But the BJP certainly does not want to be apologetic. They are saying that there was nothing derogatory and one should not have a negative perception as far as Mujra goes.
Right, Pallavi. Thank you so much for putting all that into perspective for our viewers. We'll keep coming back to you for more political updates on that story. Right now, it's time for a quick commercial break here on CNN News 18. Stay with us. We'll come right back.